symbol of percent. X percent means x upon 100. Then x percent of y. X percent of y. What do you mean by x percent? Tell me. What do you mean by x? X upon 100. 100. And in mathematics I have taught you what do you mean by of. Of means multiplication. Y. Write on this. X percent of y means x upon 100 into y. Of means multiplication. Then third one is for to convert a fraction. Fraction means numerator upon denominator into percent. To convert a fraction into percent. Suppose you have a upon b. Then how you will convert a upon b into percent? A upon b, fraction b multiplied by 100. You will get percent. So whenever you are given a fraction, you multiply that fraction by 100, you will get a percent. So to convert a given fraction into percent, we multiply by 100, that's all. Okay, so based on this, we have the problem. 8th A, we have the problem. 8th A. Okay. Clear? 8th A. So whenever you are given a fraction, then to convert a fraction into percentage, we multiply by 100. X percent means x upon 100. X percent of y means x upon 100 into y. Then to convert a fraction into percent, we multiply that fraction by 100. Let us solve the exercise 8A. Based on this, exercise 8. Based on this, express each of the following as percent. Express each of the following as percent. Express each of the following as percent. Express each of the following. Express each of the following. Express each of the following as percent. Express each of the following as percent. So you have to check whether you are given a fraction or whole number. If it is a fraction, multiply by 100, you will get a percent. Whenever it is a fraction, multiply by 100, you will get a percent. Okay. So let us see. 3 by 4. Wait, let us see, my dear. 3 by 4. What is 3 by 4? Tell me. 3 by 4 is a fraction. See, so 3 is a numerator, 4 is a denominator. Numerator upon denominator, so 3 by 4 is a fraction. 3 by 4 is a fraction. And whenever you want to convert fraction into percent, multiply by 100. So this we write 3 by 4 into 100%. Okay, you can cancel 100 with 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. So 3 into 25%. So 3 into 25%. That is 3 into 25% is 75%. So 3 upon 4. This fraction I can write 75%. Okay, 7. Actually what is this here? See, then I will tell you 3 upon 4. Total 4 parts are there. Total 4 parts are there. And which parts are? Total 4 part means 100%. Total part means 100%. And you have taken 3 parts of it. So each part will be 25%. 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 How many parts are covered? 3 parts. How many parts are covered? 3 parts. So 1 part 25%, 2 part 50%, 3 part 75%. This is the answer. Yes? Is it clear? So whenever you are given a fraction, then to convert the fraction into percent, we multiply by 100. That's simple logic. To convert the fraction into percent, we multiply by 100. To convert the fraction into percent, we multiply by 100. Second, 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Yes. 2 by 3. What is 2 by 3? It is a fraction, yes or no? 2 by 3. 2 is my numerator, 3 is my denominator. So it is a fraction. 2 by 3 is a fraction, correct? Now we want to convert this fraction into percent. So multiply by 100. 2 by 3 into 100%. 2 by 3 into 100%. 2 by 3 into 100%. Yes. So can you cancel 3 and 200? Can you cancel 2 and 300? Yes. Can you cancel 2 and 300? No. So we cannot cancel. So this is a 100 we write. 100 we write. See here. 100 we write. 100 upon 1. Okay. Now this is multiplication of two fractions. Multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So that is 200 upon 3. 3%. Now you can convert this into mixed fraction. You can convert this into mixed fraction. 200 you divide by 3. 3 6 are 18. Then again it is 20. 3 6 are 18. Then it is 2 is left. So this you can write in the mixed fraction. What is that? 66 is to 2 by 3%. 66 is to 2 by 3%. 66 is to 2 by 3%. Okay? 66 is to 2 by 3%. Yes. Then we have seen how to convert decimal into fraction. Whenever we have fraction, we multiply by 100, we get percentage. But then we have also learned how to convert decimal into fraction. Third is 0.025. Third is 0.025. Now we convert this decimal into fraction. How you will convert this decimal into fraction? Remove the decimal. This is my decimal. Yes. So remove the decimal. After decimal, how many digits are there? So this is 25 upon 1000. 25 upon 1000, and clearly this is the fraction, yes or no? This is the fraction. This is my numerator. This is my denominator. So 25 upon 1000 is the fraction. Once you get the fraction, then how you will convert fraction into decimal? Multiply by 100. So 25 upon 1000 multiplied by 100%. Then you can cancel the zeros of numerator with denominator. 1 0, 1 2, 1 2. So 25 upon 10. 25 upon 10%. You can convert this into mixed fraction. See, this I can write 25 upon 10. This I can write. You can cancel 5 5s are 25. Write down to the lowest form. 5 into 5 upon 2 into 5. Write down this to the lowest term. 5 get cancelled. What is that? 5 by 2%. 5 by 2%. This you can write in the mixed fraction form. 2 2s are 4. 2 is to 1 by 2%. 2 is to 1 by 2%. Yes. So whenever you are given the decimal, first you convert decimal into fraction. Then, yes, you have to convert decimal into fraction. Mute the microphone, my dear. Fourth one, 0.125. 0.125. Convert this decimal into fraction. So, remove the decimal. So, this is 125 upon 1000. Mute the microphone. 125 is my numerator. 1000 is my denominator, so 125 upon 1000 is a fraction. So once you get the fraction, how you will convert fraction into decimal? Yes? Tell me anybody, how you will convert fraction into decimal? Multiply by 100, 125 upon 1000, multiplied by 100%. Then you cancel the zeros of, zeros get cancelled, 125 upon 10, 125 upon 10%. My dear, mute the microphone. 125, you write down this to the lowest term. 125 I can write 5 into 25. Then 10 I can write 5 into 2. Then 5 get cancelled. What is left? 25 upon 2. 25 upon 2%. 25 upon 2%. You can write down this to the, you divide. So this is 12 is to 1 by 2%. 12 is to 1 by 2%. Yes? Echo is coming. Mute the microphone. 12 is to 1 by 2%. So whenever you are given a fraction, then to convert a fraction into percent, we multiply by 100. If decimal is given, you convert decimal into decimal fraction. Convert decimal into decimal fraction. Okay? Now next one. Second, express the following percentage as fraction and as a decimal number. Okay. Express the following percentage. Express the following percentage. Chalo. Express the following percentage. Express the following. You are given now a percentage. Express the following percentage as fractions. As fractions. You have to convert percentage into fractions and as decimal number. And as decimal numbers. And as decimal numbers. Okay, we will do it step by step. First it is 7 by 2%. 7 is to 1 by 2%. See, I have told you the definition. First you convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. What is 7 is to 1 by 2? Tell me. 15 by 2. 15 by 2%. Okay, now see this part. What do you mean by x percent? X percent means x upon 100, or that is same as x divided by 100. Yes or no? Yes? All of you are following? X percent means x upon 100, or you can write x divided by 100, one and the same. So same thing, 15 by 2%. 15 by 2% I can write 15 by 2 upon 100 or divide by 100. Yes? Are you following? Okay. Now we convert this division into multiplication. How you will convert division into multiplication? Take reciprocal of the second. So this will be 15 by 2. 15 by 2 multiplied by 1 upon 100. We convert division into multiplication. We take reciprocal of the second. Now 15 upon 2 is a fraction. 1 upon 100 is a fraction. How we multiply two fractions? Multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So that will be 15 into 1. 15 into 1 upon 2 into 100. Okay. Now you can cancel. One more time. Chalo, one more time. 7 is to 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. First we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1, 15 by 2%. 15 by 2%. Previously percentage was not given. So we multiply by 100. Now percentage is given. So we use this definition. X percent means x upon 100 or x divided by 100. So 15 by 2% means 15 upon 2 upon 100 or 15 by 2 divided by 100. This we have learned in the fraction. Whenever you want to convert division into multiplication, we take reciprocal of the second. So 100 reciprocal will be 1 upon 100. 15 by 2 is a fraction, 1 by 100 is a fraction, multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. We get this. Now let us cancel the common term of numerator and denominator. You can cancel 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 20 5s are 100. 20 5s are 100. Yes. Yes. So this is 3. This is 3 into 1 RCF. Or let me explain. Let me explain this part. This already you have learned. So this is 15 into 1 CF. 15 into 1 upon 2 into 100. Now let us not cancel the 100. Let us cancel 2 and 15. So 15 divided by 2. We have seen the division. 2 7s are 14. Then it is 1 point. 2 5s are 10. So this is 7.5. Yes or no? Yes. 15 when you will. This is 7.5. 7.5 upon 100. I have told you we want to express this as a decimal. So whenever it is divided by 10 then you have to shift the decimal to the left. You have to shift the decimal to the left. So 7.5 I can write 0075. 007.5 upon 100. Now you shift the decimal. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. You shift the decimal to the left. You shift the decimal to the left. 2 digits. So what is the answer? What is the answer, my dear? 0.075. And this is the answer. 0.075 is the decimal number. Yes? Any doubt is there? You ask. Everything is clear? Yes? Okay. Now second thing. Now second thing, see here, earlier we have seen this. This is nothing but 40 upon 3. Yes, this is nothing but 3 upon 40, no? We have cancelled this. So 3 upon 40 is a fraction and 0.075 is a decimal. Now second one, 2.50%. 2.50%. We go step by step. What do you mean by x percent? X upon 100. So 2.50 upon 100. We know x percent means x upon 100. Okay? X percent means x upon 100. So 2.50 upon 100. Okay? So this, now remove the decimal. Yes, remove the decimal. What will we get? Remove the decimal. You want to express this as a decimal number, no? So this I can write 2.50 upon 100. Now, yes, so now I will shift the decimal to 2 places. So this will be 0.0250. 0.0250. This is same as 0.025. This is same as 0.025. Okay. Now 0.02%. 0.02%. Should I give few problem homework? Yes. Same type of. चलो ठीक है 0.02%. थर्ड वन 0.02%. 0.02%. X percent means x upon 100. So 0.02 upon 100. X percent means x upon 100. This definition we follow. X percent means x upon 100. Now 002. This you can write. You can before 0 you can add as many as 000. 0.02 You can add one more 0 upon 100. Now there are two zeros in the denominator. Shift two decimal places. Answer will be 0.00. Answer will be 0.0002. Yes? Yes or no? Okay. Now we are given 175%. 175%. Okay. Wait. 175%. What do you mean by x percent? X upon 100. 175 upon 100. Correct? Now you have to shift the decimal from right side. From right side you shift the decimal. So what is that? Yes, 1.75. 1.75 is the answer. 175% means 1.75. Yes. Is it clear? Okay. Now, third one. What percent is 16 hours of 2 days? Very good. Nice type of question. What percent is 2 hours? What percent is 16 hours of 2 days? 16 hours of 2 days. 16 hours of 2 days. My dear, in this type of problem, whenever you take percentage, they should be of the same quantity. Whenever we take ratio, they should be of the same quantity. This is hours, this is days. So you have to convert days into hours. You have to convert days into hours. Yes? You have to convert. So 2 days is equal to 48 hours. No? So 2 days is equal to 48 hours. What percentage is 16 hours of 2 days? So we write, let x percent is 16 hours of 2 days. 16 hours of 2 days. Sorry. 16 hours of 2 days. So x percent is 16 hours. 16 hours of 2 days. 2 days means 24 hours. So let us go by the definition. X percent, what do you mean by is? What do you mean by is? Mathematics. Is means equal to. Is means equal to in mathematics. 16 hours. 16 hours. Of means multiplication. 16 hours of 24 hours. What percentage is 16 hours of 24 hours? Yes. So see here, let us do this. Let us write in this way. 2 days, write on this. 2 days means 24 hours. Okay. So x percent of 24 hours is 48 hours. So x percent of 48 hours is 16 hours. Now simplify. X percent means x percent. Of means, what do you mean by of? Multiplication. 48 hours. Is means equal to 16 hours. Yes? What do you mean by x percent? X upon 100 into 48 hours is equal to 16 hours. Okay? Now see here. before equal to sign, it is my left hand side. After equal to sign, it is my right hand side. And whenever we change the side, multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication. Division becomes multiplication, multiplication becomes division. So let us see. So you will write, mute the microphone. X is equal to, see here, this 100 is there in the division. So 100 will go in the multiplication. 16 hour into 100 upon 48 is in the multiplication. 48 will go in the division. 48 hour. Okay. Hour get cancelled. 16 1 is 16, 16 3 is 48. So x is 100 upon 3. 100 upon 3. That is 33 is to 1 by 3%. Okay. So x is 33 is to 1 by 3%. Okay. X is 33 is to 1 by 3. So we write 33 is to 1 by 3% of 2 days is 16 hours. Yes? Is it clear? 33 is to 1 by 3%. See here, this 100 is there in the division. So on right hand side 100 will go in the multiplication. 48 is in the multiplication on left side. So 48 will go in the division on right hand side. 16 1 is 16, 16 3 is 48, 100. 100 upon 3, 33 is to 1 by 3. So 33 is to 1 by 2% of 2 days is 16 hours. Is it clear? Now let me give you one shortcut method. Okay. See this. You write down this alternate method. Directly you can do. Alternate method. Without x also you can do. Alternate method. Okay. So you are given, see this. You are given 2 days. 2 days means 48 hours. We calculate 48 hour percentage. It becomes 16 hour. 48 hour becomes 16 hour. With what percent? So we write, okay, percentage is 20, see here, 48 hour becomes 16 hour. Of what percent? So we write smaller number in the numerator, 16 hour divided by 48 hour. And what is 16 upon 48? It is a fraction. Yes or no? It is a fraction. So how you will calculate percentage? Multiply by 100. Multiply by 100%. You will get percentage. You can cancel. Hour get cancelled. Then 16 1 is 16, 16 3 is 48. So that is 100 upon 3%. And that is same as 33 is to 1 by 3%. You can directly calculate. Okay. Smaller number will be in the numerator, bigger number will be in the denominator. It is a fraction, multiply by 100. You will get percentage. So which method you find most easy? This method. Which method you find easy? This one. Let us do all the problem by this method. Okay. Let us do all the problem by this method. Okay. Chalo. What percentage is 40 paisa of 2 rupees? Okay. 40 paise of 2 rupees. 40 paise of 2 rupees. Of 2 rupees. 2 rupees means how? 2 rupees means 200 paise. So now you have to find percentage. So percentage is smaller number in the numerator. What is smaller number? 40 paise. Then 200 paise is bigger number, 200 paise. Now this is the fraction. 40 upon 200 is the fraction. So multiply by 100%, you will get percentage. So 2 zeros get cancelled. Then paisa get cancelled. What is left? 40 upon 2%. 40 upon 2%. 40 upon 2% is same as 20%. Yes, my dear, understood. So percentage is, this method is more easier. So percentage is 20%. Okay. Then next, 25 centimeter of 4 meter. 25 centimeter of 4 meter. You have to convert both of the same quantity, same unit. You can take ratio and percentage of two quantity of same unit. This remember. 25 centimeter of 4 meter. 25 centimeter of 4 meter. 4 meter. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100. So this is 400 centimeter. Now this is centimeter. So now let us calculate percentage. Percentage will be smaller one in the numerator, 25 centimeter upon 400 centimeter multiplied by 100%. This is the fraction. 25 upon 400 is the fraction. So 2 zeros get cancelled. So this is 25 centimeter get cancelled. So 25 upon 4%. 25 upon 4%. Which you can write 6:1 by 4%. Yes or no, my dear? Yes? So percentage is 6:1 by 4%. I think this method is more easier. There is no need to go for X method. You can directly do it. Yes. See, where you will apply this? Where you will apply this percentage? I am giving you one. Suppose just now your marks are visible out of 25. Okay, suppose anybody has got 21 marks. Then what will be the percentage? 21 out of 25. So how will you calculate percentage? 21 upon 25, this is the fraction, multiply by 100, you will get max percentage. Are you getting? Yes? So where we apply this? So whatever marks you have obtained, that divided by total marks multiplied by 100. And why we multiply by 100? Because 21 upon 25 is a fraction. Is it clear? So what is homework for today? Whichever marks are visible to you, mass marks. Tomorrow or whenever we have next period, I will ask you the answer in terms of percentage, not marks. Is it clear? So homework is today you have to calculate your mass percentage. How many marks you have obtained? That marks obtained upon total marks multiplied by 100. So everybody will calculate the percentage in terms of decimal. In terms of decimal. And tomorrow you have to give me the answer. Each one of you will give me the mass percentage, not mass marks. Chalo, next one is 600 gram. 600 gram out of 5 kg. Only mass mark. 5 kg. So this is gram and this is kg. 1 kg is 1000 gram. So 5 kg is 5000 gram. So now you want to find percentage. So percentage will be, yes, smaller ones, that is 600 gram upon 5000 gram multiplied by 100%. Okay. So gram cancel, then 2 zeros get cancelled, then 1 zero get cancelled. That is 60 upon 5. 60 upon 5%. 60 upon 5%, if you see the table, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 12%. Percentage is 12. Percentage is 12%. Okay. So you write the homework for today. Let me give you one homework. Okay, and this 10 marks. Write down this assignment. One assignment. And this you have to send me on the WhatsApp assignment. Calculate your each subject. Calculate your each subject, not only maths, each subject percentage. Calculate your each subject percentage of assessment 1 examination. Assessment 1 examination. Okay, I have told you how to calculate percentage. This is your assignment. Whoever will send me the answer on the WhatsApp, you have to write on the paper and take the photograph and send me. I will definitely give this 5 marks. 5 marks for active participation. 5 marks for active participation. I will definitely give. Everyone, all E and F division student. Everyone has got the marks. All E and F division student. Whichever you have not got, you leave that subject. Remaining subject you calculate the percentage. Okay. So this is the homework. Bye everybody. See you tomorrow. Send